When the days drew near for him to be taken up, he set his face to go to Jerusalem. And he sent messengers ahead of him, who went and entered a village of the Samaritans to make preparations for him. But the people did not receive him, because his face was set toward Jerusalem. And when his disciples James and John saw it, they said,
"Lord, do you want us to tell fire to come down from heaven and consume them?"
But he turned and rebuked them, and they went on to another village. As they were going along the road, someone said to him,
"I will follow you wherever you go."
And Jesus said to him,
"Foxes have holes, and birds of the air have nests, but the Son of Man has nowhere to lay his head."
To another he said,
"Follow me."
But he said,
"Lord, let me first go and bury my father."
And Jesus said to him,
"Leave the dead to bury their own dead. But as for you, go and proclaim the kingdom of God."
Yet another said,
"I will follow you, Lord, but let me first say farewell to those at my home."
Jesus said to him,
"No one who puts his hand to the plow and looks back is fit for the kingdom of God."